Yes, it's the end of summer sales. That's it. Okay. So designer, NYX, charms. I'm gonna do that. Again, we're gonna start with the condensed glue gels, and you're gonna need just a little bit of thick density. So you're gonna do it. It's gonna be thick. Oh, the stick on there. So you're gonna make sure you can see that my bristle is spreading out. So you're gonna do it, but you don't want to do too much to float it your crystal later. You want to do is enough. If you feel like it's floating your crystal and the first time you're doing it, try it again. You might get a hang of it. It's like just using a little bit less condensed glue gels. Or sometimes you don't use it enough, then it's gonna give you a hard time to like spread it out as well. Okay, and floating, you know, wipe top coat right on the top. I'm gonna using this beauty right here. Oh, this one is so cute. Let me find the darker. More like yellow. And I'm gonna start with like 2 of SS8, SS10s on the side. I love the glow in the dark. It's just like a lighten up, but it's not too much that you couldn't handle it. Okay. So I'm gonna add some beads on. And tuck some beads between the. A lot of you were asking like where is the best place to put the beads. You can pretty much put it everywhere. You can do it like between the charms and crystal, and then between the charms and the charms, or between crystals and crystals. The best thing about condensed glue gel, just don't hit me, babe. Condensed glue gels is not going to dry until you are going to set it under LED lights. Put right there. All right, it looks super adorable. Some fur or something on it. Great. So happy with this. We're going to cure for 60 seconds.